All right, so now that we know that domain is the x values and range is the y values, and we know how to list them from a table, a map, or a set of ordered pairs, we're going to look at how do we do it when I have a graph. Okay? So what I'm going to do is just list, we're going to do it from a discrete graph first. So remember, discrete just means there are just points on the graph, whereas continuous is a straight line, and we'll do that a little bit later. Oh. Sorry. All right, so we've got these discrete points here. The domain is the x values, and range is the y values. So we go least to greatest. So I'm going to go to the point that's furthest to the left, which is this point here. So what's the x value at that point? Well, I count over 3. So since I went to the left 3, my first value is going to be negative 3. All right, then I go to that next point here. I go to the left 2. The next value there is going to be negative 2. All right, then I've got 1 point left, so I'm going to go over 3. I went to the right 3, so that becomes a positive 3. All right. Now the range is the y value, so I go up and down instead of left to right. So we're doing least to greatest, so I'm going to go to the point furthest down, which is this point right here. So I went down 1, 2, so that's negative 2 because I went down. The next point I went up 2, so that's going to be a positive 2. And then for the last point here I went up 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So that's my domain and range for those points. So I'm going to give you a few points, and then I'm going to have you try it out on your own. All right, now do your best on your screen to count over how many of those are. Pause the video. When you're ready to check your answer, push play again. All right, so there's the domain and range for those 3 points.